So in this Robinhood tutorial video, I will be showing you how to withdraw money here on Robinhood. So once Robinhood's opened up, I want you to go to the bottom right and select on the profile icon or the human icon. Go ahead and select that. Once that is done at the top where it says transfer money, deposits, withdrawals, transfer limits, go ahead and select that option. Then once you're on the transfers page right here, at the top it says deposit and withdraw. You guessed it, go ahead and press withdraw. Then once you're here, you can then type in how much money you want to withdraw. So in my case, I will do $10 because I have $10 available. Once you have the amount selected, press continue. Now in my case, the amount is too low. The minimum for an Interact e-transfer is $20. So for example, if you were to go ahead and type in 20, then press continue, you can then proceed to the next steps where it'll bring you to e-transfer the money from this account to your bank account. So pretty simple, pretty straightforward. That is how to withdraw money here on Robinhood. Thanks again for watching and hope this helps.